New Mexico Real Estate Principles Workbook, page 36, Unit 2, Real Estate Topics, page 37, Estates and Land, Figure 2, Period 1, Estates and Land. Estates and Land. Ownership, at least a lifetime. Real property interests. Estate, the degree, quantity, nature, and extent of an interest in real property. Possession only, less than a lifetime. Personal property interests. Underneath that is non-freehold, less than freehold leasehold. Underneath that, tenancy for years. Underneath that is a definite termination date, no notice required. Tenancy from period to period is like week to week, month to month, and a notice is required. Tenancy at will, notice is required. Tenancy at sufferance, holdover tenant violates the landlord's rights. A notice is required. 0 days. National, 3 days in New Mexico. For life estates, a conventional, created intentionally by man. Ordinary, for tenant's lifetime. Per atri v, for other's lifetime. And then in the legal category, you have created automatically by law. Below that is dower, a widow's right to portion of deceased husband's real property. And then you got courtesy, a widower's right to portion of deceased wife's real property. And then you got homestead, a protection against forced sale of property. Under fee estates, you have, and this is the freehold category. You got defeasible fee, defeated by happening or non-happening of a specified event. Severalty, owned by one person. Tenancy in common, 2 or more owners, unequal or equal interests. Possession only. Unity, undivided interest, UI. Joint tenancy, 2 or more owners, right of survivorship. Undivided interest. 4 unities and specified required. Specificity, unities and specificity required. The pits. Tenancy by the entireties. Married couple only. Special form of joint tenancy. 4 unities and specificity requires. Pits. Tenancy by the entireties. Married couple only. special form of joint tenancy, 4 unities, and specificity requires PITS, UI, not available in New Mexico. Community property. New Mexico is one of 8 community property states. Married couple owns property 50-50 with undivided interests, UI. Exceptions include inherited property, property owned before marriage, and gifts received while married.